Hey everybody out there in social media land. This is Bruce behind the camera. Cloud just came and, well, he didn't plow out. Well, I thought I was going to be able to get out of here, okay. But maybe I'm not. Hopefully I get a little running start here if I put it low. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. I may have to back up. It's not going to be as easy as I thought. Oh, shit. Let's see. Oh, mama, I'm gonna have to back all the way up. I'm gonna back all the way up and get a running start. And hopefully get up the hill. There was no way. I don't have snow tires. I got all weather tires. But this is still going to be a challenge. This is the fun part. I'm scheduled to leave for Florida on the 16th. I should have left 3 days ago. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Let's see. Oh, brother. This is what I did when I got stuck years ago. I'm hoping I can get enough of a running start to get up that hill. I need to go to Walmart to get some stuff. I'm glad he plotted all the way back here. Well, let's see what we can do. Wish me luck. Okay, here we go. Oh, baby, please, please, please. I may not still be able to make it. I'm not going to be able to make it. You get to the top of the hill. Well, I'm not sure what to do here. I guess I can try it one more time, but you can see the challenge I've got. Ooh, well, it's clear blue sky, nice day. It's 13 degrees, so the wind chill factor, it's about 0. So with that being said, over and out for now. Wish me luck. Bye.